Shubor nakaslem jong Nongthied Hima.
Ka Orange Automobile Shillong kabadai ka authorized dealer jong ka Mahindra Powerol kawai nagi company ka bapaw hagi benta ki diesel generator solutions kala Pynlong ya ka customer meet ha Shillong Meghalaya banya kendu ya ki Nongthied ki business associate bat ki channel partners na kaleng kathan kani ka jingelang ka long kalat ka bakong san bat ki Nongthied Pynsngewthuh ya ka jing don kam ki badang kiu ha kaliang ka power backup bat ban Pynsngewthuh ya ka jingkular jong ka Mahindra Powerol ban a ya ka power solution ki basngan ki batray kam bha bat ki bapenon kam ya ki technology ki bathamai ha kani ka jingelang lapen iru ya ka jing he jong ka jing yar jong ka diesel generator sets jong ka Mahindra Powerol ki bala ban penon kam ha ki benta ba pher kum ki jaka khayi ki jaka sumar ki hotel bat hospitality telecom infrastructure bat ki karkhana ba pher ha bakren ha kani ka jingelang ki nong mi khmat jong ka company ki lapen paw ba ka customer centricity kata ka jingbu ha khamat do ya ka jingdon kam jong ki customer kadang long ka wei na ki nong rim ka bakong santam jong ka jingpen yar jong ka Mahindra Powerol ya kane ka program lapen pho pen phieng do u Sanjay Jain u senior vice president u balawan kum u kongsan bat u balaya sami ki jingtip bat ki jingmut ki bakodor bat ki nong shimbenta ki wei pat ki bla sha khot sobha ki long u shayam agarwala utrai jongka Joyshri Powerol uba Shampang Lingdo utrai jongka Orange Automobile u Akhilesh Katyen u Regional Scale Manager ka East u Shankar Ghosal u Regional Service Manager ka East u Sovik Paul u HKVA Sale Manager ka East u Saurabh Kumar Srivastava u Area Scale Manager u Jitendra Kumar u Senior Territory Scale Manager but u Adnu Jana u Senior Territory Service Manager.
Please come. One. Nice. Yes. This is traditional. Thank you.
Distinguished guests, valued partners, and friends, a very good evening to you all. At the outset, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to our esteemed customers. You are the foundation of our business, and your presence here today means the world to us. The Powerol Synergy Forum is a celebration of our long-standing trust, shared growth, and enduring relationship. Tonight provides us a wonderful opportunity to connect and exchange insights and strengthen the bond we share. I take immense pleasure in extending a special welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Jain, Senior Vice President, Mahindra Powerol. Your presence here today is a great honor and significantly boost the morale of our entire team. To Mr. Akhilesh, a special word of welcome to Mrs. Jain and me hand over the floor. I would just love to have a little brief to highlight our journey and commitment at Orange Automobile. We have been associated with Mahindra Powerol for the last 15 years. And in these 15 years, there have been ups and downs. There have been difficulties. And there have been COVID during that time. But the association with Mahindra Powerol is something very special. We have grown together and we have learned from each other, and we have really made our commitment to our dear customers with our on-time service, reliable service, and our prompt after-sales support to our customer. Though we have many other brands associated with construction equipments, in automobiles, and in hospitality and many other businesses, but the association with Mahindra Powerol is something very, very special to Orange Automobile. As our leadership team share key updates and insights, I invite you all, my dear friends, our valued customers, to sit back and relax, to connect and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you all for joining us, and I wish you a memorable and a pleasant evening.
It's a beautiful city, Shillong, beautiful state. And when Mr. Lindo invited me for this customer meet, I could not resist. It is my almost the first time in this beautiful state and beautiful city. So, and not only me, my wife could not resist to join me for coming here. So, wonderful city, and you people are all very wonderful citizens here. I'm enjoying my stay in this wonderful city and state. So friends, thank you very much once again. Thank you to my all colleagues. Thank you, Mr. Lindo, for inviting me here. Thank you, Mr. Shyam for being a part of this event. So it's wonderful, and means Mahindra Powerol has a very strong and very long legacy into the genset market in India, and we are the leading energy solution provider company. We are part of Mahindra and Mahindra, and I'm sure all of you must have heard the name of Mahindra and Mahindra. This is one of the leading industrial conglomerate in India, and we are among the top few in the country. And the most important thing which we are very proud of is that this company is known for its ethical working and customer centricity. So this is what is in the top of our agenda always, that we have to be ethical, we have to be customer centric in whatever we do in entire Mahindra Group. So what I will do is I'll just take you through some of the important aspects of the Mahindra Group which we all represent. So, okay. So we call it a many companies, one purpose. This is what we call it. This is one of the advertisement of Mahindra and Mahindra Group, which was published long ago in 1945 before independence. This company was established in 1945 before independence. This company was known as Mahindra and Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed was a partner in Mahindra and Mahindra, and after the independence, when the partition happened, Mr. Mohammed went on the other side of the country, which is now Pakistan, and he became the first finance minister of Pakistan. And after 1947, this company was renamed as from Mahindra and Mohammed to Mahindra and Mahindra. So it remains M&M.